In today's video, I'll show you how to disconnect Joy-Cons or controllers from your Nintendo Switch 2. Let's get into the method. On the Switch 2 home screen, open the System Settings app first, and then scroll down until you are in the section called Controllers and Accessories. Within here, scroll down again until you see the option called Disconnect Controllers, and select this. It should be at the bottom. You can now hold the X button to disconnect all controllers from the Switch 2. To repair the Joy-Cons, simply put them back into the sides of the Switch 2, and if they were already connected, they will repair automatically. For repairing controllers, you'll need to follow the method for that controller. For example, you might need to connect it via a cable to the console. That's how to disconnect Joy-Cons or controllers from your Nintendo Switch 2. If you found the video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more. Check out the videos coming up right now, you might find these helpful too.